Crypto Joey Shaw!
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about charts. This is an episode for the people who want to learn how to read charts. If you're not interested in that, this is not for you. I got a timer on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. It's going to take about 12 minutes, maybe less, to look at all the charts and come up with the plays and levels and analysis for each and every one of these. I counted them. It's a lot of charts. I did not realize how, I was not kidding when I said in my previous video that I've done easily over 50,000 chart readings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got over 120 charts. So let's see how long it takes to go through each one. And of course, we're going to do our analysis. If you are interested in doing so and following me, try to do the analysis as quickly as possible. Let's see if you can keep up. And let's see what happens. This is going to be fun. So let's start the timer here. The whole point of this video is so you can see how I do my chart analysis and how quickly I do it. And let's see if you can keep up if you want to follow through. I'm also timing myself just to see how long it takes, because 120 plus charts, let's say 10 seconds each. I don't know. Can I do it? I don't know. I think I would have to do like 5 seconds per chart reading, I think. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how many I can do. All right. So let's get the timer ready here and let's go. All right. Mags, buy the purple line, sell it high of 70. Boom. Ready, set, go. Okay. INTS keeps going down over the long term. Trash. Don't bother with it. CoreWeave. Ooh, it doesn't have a purple line here. So not enough info to go off of this, but it does have a key support level at 65 right here. It actually did touch 65 and bounced off of it. So this is where you would want to buy. Have a stop loss at the low of 64.47. Boom. That took me the longest. MVST purple line strategy. It's a buy, sell at $7. Oracle purple line strategy likes to come down to it, then bounce off of it and go to new highs. So it's a buy, sell at 345, right? We're going to use the previous high as a target. Meta, same exact thing. Purple line strategy comes down under, touches it sometimes way under it, and then it goes to previous high. So buy right now and hold for 800. Microsoft, same thing. These are good ones. These you can just buy under the purple line and sell at the previous high of 555. Boom. No stop loss needed for those because those are very safe. They keep going up over the long term. BTQ, purple line strategy. Touches it, goes to new high. Touches it, goes to new high. Touches it, goes to same thing. It touches it, buy, sell at 16. Stop loss at the low if you want. Optional stop loss if you want. Depends on how hard you believe in that one. BBAI, I've traded this one so many times. No stop loss needed. Purple line strategy. It's a buy here, sell at 939. Genie. I don't know much about it. It does like to come down to the purple line and then rally to new highs. This is the first time it's dumped really hard, so I'm having a hard time here. For the biggest level right here, this is a big level right here. So it's coming down to it. It would be a buy down here with a stop loss at $8. Yeah, stop loss at like $8, buy at around $8.50, and look to sell at least at 11 right here. Oh, this is going to take me the longest because I have never seen this one. 11, then 14. There you go. Those are your levels. Stop loss at the under this big level here at 7.99, somewhere around there. Jobby. Ooh, I don't know Jobby very well either. These ones, I don't see, there's just, the next big level is like at 10. The next big level is at 10 here. So, but right now it is at a key support level right here. So if it does hold this, buy, set a stop at the low at 12. And then take profit at $20. I mean, it's a classic buy the bottom, sell the top at this point. It looks like that's what it's looking like. It's starting to develop, assuming it holds here. So there you go. That's the technical analysis for Jobby. ARCX, isn't this an ETF? Yeah, this is just an ETF. It keeps going higher over the long term, follows the purple line strategy. So buy at or under the purple line, sell at the next high or previous high, $32. Boom. No stop loss needed because it keeps going up. ARCW, same exact thing, keeps going up over the long term, right? Purple line, goes to a new high. So buy at 141. No stop loss needed, 183 as a sell target. right? Sell target is always going to be the previous high because we know at least it can go there and you can make quite a bit of money. A firm, pretty much the exact same pattern. You're seeing a lot of patterns that are pretty much the same, right? They rinse and repeat, come down nice and cheap because everything follows one another, especially the good ones. Goes to new high, down, new high, down, new high is what we would expect. So this is a buy. I don't know anything about this, but you would buy here, take profit at 92. QUBT, what's going on with this one? Is this another purple line strategy? Looks like if we have to go to the weekly and see what's going on here. Monthly, so we're just going sideways over the long term. It's a quantum stock, so if it's just going to follow quantums, then this is a buy here under the purple line and hold for hold for 21 because it just loves to come up here. So there you go, buy under the purple line, hold for 21. Potential for 100% of that one. I don't know this one either. I think this one's going to have to be a purple line strat as well. It is going higher over the long term, comes to the purple line, nice and cheap, nice and discounted. Hold for 15. Poet, again, you're seeing a lot of the same thing, right? This is why the purple line strategy works, because we get a lot of the same rinse and repeat patterns because everything tends to follow each other, except for the shittier ones. Those ones don't follow one another. So same thing, buy under the purple line, look to sell at well, we got multiple levels here, 750 and then 941. If you want to set a stop loss at 3.22 because you probably don't, I don't know. There's a big level down here, so that's something to keep an eye on as well. So maybe even if you want to wait for 320-ish and then look for a stop loss at 2.99 for better risk to reward ratio. Bull under the purple line is just been it's just been trash. It's just been going down. Like it's literally pulling a BMNR, MSTR. So I would say if you want to take it just doesn't have the technicals behind it. It kind of looks like color stock. So I'm not, you know what, that's just dead in the water as far as I'm concerned. Apps here, going up over the long term. What is this, an AI stock? I don't know what it is, but going up over the long term, comes down to the purple line nice and cheap, keeps creating higher highs, right? Higher lows, not happening anymore because we did break down, but that's a lot of stocks. That's happening to a lot of stocks right now. So technically it is a purple line strategy. Don't know much about the company, but loves to, it looks like it's in a higher time frame. Higher time frame channel. So if it holds here, that would actually make sense, especially because of the angle matching this angle. So it would be a buy here and maybe set a stop at like 3.77. Good risk to reward because if it does come back up to the purple line, you would sell at 5, then the next level at 6, and then of course if it goes to create a new high at around $9. So there you go. That's purple line strategy, trend line strategy. Playing the channel, longer term channel. Donald Trump's stock is just trash. Like it's just it doesn't even follow the market. The market went up and this thing has just been going down, right? So it's just trash. It just is. So that's no point in even bothering with that. Wow, it's already been almost 7 minutes and I'm not even close. Look at this. I still got my goodness. Imagine doing technical analysis for all those. And you're slow about it. Jeez, it would take forever. TSSI, it's right. Let me see right here. It's at it's not there yet, but it is getting close to the big zone here. This is a big area of support at around 550 to 6. If it does not hold that, I would be very careful. So I would wait to see if it does come down lower, then buy and set a stop loss at 5.62 and a take profit. If you were going to buy and sell at 10, and then if it does close that gap, I would look for the gap close to 15, and then maybe 10, 20, because this one's very volatile to both directions. Clove, damn, I don't know anything about Clove. Clove, right at a key support level, right here, boom, key support level. So you would buy right now, actually, would be the time to buy. Stop loss at 2.11. If it does hold, then it'll come back to the purple line, at least touch it for a sell target of 2.97. If it goes back above it, then you would look for $4, because that's a big level right here. So there you go. Those are your sell targets. Purple line right here and up there at 4. So TQQQ, that just follows the market. This one, it's not good for swing trading, but technically it's a buy. And you hold for the high, right? Because it just follows QQQ. Soxel, same thing, just follows, I think, semiconductors. Yeah, so I think we're just going to skip the ETFs because they're all going to be the same thing. Even gold, same thing. If it comes down to the purple line, that's a buy and hold for the new highs, which it rarely does so. But when it does, it's one hell of a massive discount opportunity. We also have a big level right here, so look out for that. But it'll probably come down to the purple line first at around 70 to 72. Like to sell at the high of 86. Boom, easy. This is another gold. It's another gold ETF, so I'm just going to skip it because it's the same thing. This is leverage. We're not going to talk about leveraged ETFs. USAR, okay, it goes under the purple line. Nobody wants it, but comes higher, comes higher, comes higher, comes higher. So this is technically a, let me check the weekly. Yeah, this is going to be a buy real soon. Let's see if it comes down to under 10. So yeah, I would wait to see if it comes down lower. I would wait for like 770 to 8 right here, and set a nice stop underneath that support. And if it doesn't hold, reposition at 5.56 because you don't want to hold a big bag. You can even buy here technically and set a stop under the low of Friday. And if this is the bottom and it's gonna bounce, then you have sell targets of 16 and 20. 16 and 20, and then God forbid it goes to 25.30. So those are your sell targets. Again, it's better to take the loss and reposition, the small loss and reposition, than to hold a big bag all the way down. And oh my God, I only got 2 minutes and 27 seconds. I have not even gone through. I don't even know how many. We'll count to see how many I actually was able to get through. LAC. Someone always asks me about this one. LAC. It looks like a classic buy underneath the purple line. Nobody wants it down here. Then it goes above it. You can just sell and take profit, right? So I would say if it's just going to rinse and repeat the pattern of last time, where it just pumps huge above the purple line, then comes down, I would say buy at the purple line and under, accumulate it, then look to sell at around 360. No, that wouldn't make sense because the purple line is already up here at 4. So this is a key support level right here. So I would look to buy now. Stop loss at this low right here at 433. And then you would have a take profit of 539. So very good risk to reward ratio. And then the next one would be at around 630. So there you go. RDW. I don't like the look of this one, honestly. I don't like the look of this one. But it is at a key support level right here. It's right at it. So this would be a buy here with a stop at 4. You would have to buy and set a stop at 486 at the low of Friday. And if it does not bounce off of here, last time it did bounce off of here, look how much it moved. So there's a good risk to reward ratio, but you would have to, again, it's better to take the small loss than hold the big bag. And you got sell targets of 717, almost at 711. Maybe I'm hungry, maybe an 80 Slurpee, 8.40, and then up here at 11. There you go. Again, good risk to reward ratio when you're buying right at key support levels. This is what income AI generation stock. It just keeps, or ETF. It just keeps going up over the long term. So it just buy under the purple line and then look to sell at the high, previous high. EGAN, man, that thing. I don't like. Let me look at the weekly. Let me just look at the weekly. Let me look at the monthly. It's just going sideways over the long term with a very big level at $7. So I would just wait to see if it comes down to 7, which coincidentally would be around the purple line. So I would say wait for the purple line, and then stop loss at the low of the day that you buy in, and then see if it comes back to 15. But I don't know anything about the company though. This one, same. Oh, we're done. We're down. There you go. That's it. Let's see how many were we in 12 minutes. How many did we go through? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Oh, 32 stocks. Wow. That's horrendous. 32 stocks. So it would take me like what? An hour to go through all the stocks on my watch list. That's 32 stocks. Maybe I need to start reducing, but yeah, we didn't go anywhere near the quantum stocks or anything else. Probably the biggest thing to keep an eye on anyways is Bitcoin, to see if it finally bottoms out down here. All right, guys, that's it for speed charts. How many were you able to keep up with, or did you fall apart on the third one? I was only able to do what, barely 30 in 12 minutes, and I have a watch list of like 120. I was only able to get through a fourth of the way. I could, I mean, I do consolidate. The good ones I put it in my favorites. So technically, I could go through all my favorites here. These are the ones that I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So I could go through all of these in like probably 5 minutes because those it's the consolidated version, the ones that I really like, my favorites. You know, APLD, you got Hood, RR, NVTS, Palantir, NVIDIA, BBI, Rigetti, MP, government backed, Screw USAR, IonQ, SoFi, SoundHound. Like you got all the good ones here. So you can see how long it takes me to do analysis, even on just 30 stocks. And that's with my level of experience, just trying to go through it as quickly as possible. So, don't be discouraged if it takes you forever to do technical analysis on charts. But even just to get to where I'm at, it's going to take time. And there you go. Just wanted to demonstrate, like it's not yeah, you're not going to be able to zoom through 120 stocks in like 5 minutes. It would take time. But either way, if you do this every day and practice like this, and you look at hundreds of charts every week, you will eventually get to the point where you're probably not going to have this big of a watch list because you're just a normal person, right? Like I'm a YouTuber. I kind of have to look at a lot of charts. Sometimes people request that I look at their charts or whatever. So it's kind of makes sense, right? That it's going to be more time consuming for me because I have to look at so many more charts. Whereas you might just have like, I kind of only like you might have like this list here. Like I only like 10 stocks or 3 stocks. So you only have to, watch APLD and SoundHound and SoFi. If you've been following me on those 3, because those are my focus right now on this crash, you would only do analysis on APLD, SoFi, and SoundHound. So it would just take you like, well, for me, it would take me like what, a minute to do all 3? Yeah, it would take a minute for all 3. But for you, if you're not as fast as me and don't know the strategies, or you have your own strategy, that it might take you a while to figure out where the buys are, right? So there you go. Hopefully this was helpful. Like I said, and I said this in one of my videos, reading charts. I've read 50,000 plus charts at this point. So that's why I'm able to get through these quickly. You saw me get stuck though, right? On the ones that I don't know very well, on the stocks that I don't know very well, I went through them real slow because I'm like, oh, I don't know where's the buy opportunity here, right? I could look in Nvidia and immediately I know, oh, purple line, buy the purple line, sell at the high. Like that one's super, like, in 3 seconds I just got that done. Whereas something less familiar, I'm obviously going to be stuck because I'm like, oh, I don't know, man. This one kind of looks sketch, right? All right, guys, that's it for speed charts. Hit that like button if you want to see more of this. I don't know, but just want to do something different, something fun, and do some analysis on some of those stocks. A lot of them are just really as simple as buying at the purple line.